morning mga bunso! Dito kami lahat sa bahay except kay Daddy. Kasi nandun siya sa PBB, susunduin pa lang namin siya. Si Eman din sasama mamaya. Susunduin lang namin sila Daddy, tapos pag uwi namin dito mag-vlog ulit ako.
Ay, dito ka na? Hindi ka pupunta bukas? Mamaya?
Sayang. Bye, Eman!
One eternity later.
Dito na kami ulit. Daming tao. Dito na lang.
Kuya ang lalabas.
Okay lang yan, ate. You've made it so far. Yes. And we love you for that. Thank you, ate. Congratulations, Lo! We love you! Tayo na tayo. Lo!
Maging cameraman.
BB Alex, kung sinanay mo BB Mela.
Ito na, ultimate big winner, Kiara or Yum Yum! Big winner!
Thank you very much, Shaman. You deserve it. Manalo mo, i-enjoy mo na ang iyong mga exciting premyo! Ayan! Ito na ang iyong mga prizes!
Congrats, Kuya Yap!
Congratulations!
At ito na po yan mga kapamilya. Hanggang sa susunod na mas malaki at mas makulay na teleserye ng totoong buhay. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtuto. Ito po ang Pinoy Big Bros!
Kayang gawin! Pinoy! Ikaw!
Malinis ang makita sa mundo!
Kung ano ang kaya mo!
Ibang-ibang Pinoy! Hanggang
Matatakot!
Congrats, Kuya Yap! Pinoy ako!
Pinoy tayo! Pinoy tayo!
Pinoy! Congrats, Kuya Yap!
Congratulations!
Congrats, Andre! Oo.
Hi, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Supportahan. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sobrang, di ba, kuya? Di ba? They can't see me. Di ba? Thank you so much for support.
Yeah.
Attitude, attitude,
Hi guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat ninyong suporta hanggang ngayon. Sinuportahan niyo po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Daghang salamat. In Korean, 안녕하세요. In Japan, arigatou gozaimasu, di ba? And then in Bisaya, daghang salamat. In Tagalog, maraming salamat. In Espanyol, adios amigos.
Hi guys, it's Andre, and I'm gonna say a personal thank you. I love to say thank you to you guys because everything you do is so amazing.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for the support.
So all the fans, all for Nikki's vlog, I'll end it for her vlog.
Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for the love and the support and the overflowing positivity.
Yeah, we do all these rehearsals, we sing a lot, we're recording things like that
That's for who?
for you guys, and we're very happy to see you guys happy when we do that. So it very
Maraming
motivates
salamat,
us.
Mama Bear.
Stay tuned for more things in the future. Take care, stay amazing, stay lovely. Mama Bear!
I love you all.
Bye guys.
For today, so ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng
Mukha
mukha
kang
ko.
rambutan, teka lang. Alisin mo yung buhok mo. Ikaw mo itsura mo at ikaw matutuwa ka sa itsura mo.
Then again, thank you so much for the support.
Yon, we're all still chilling here. And
Yeah.
Salamat po.
We are on the way to Coronadal from
Mabel, di ba?
Going to the next one.
Mabel.
last leg for this one. Tama ba?
Mabel is mahirap, di ba?
But yeah.
Pero like that, something.
And it wouldn't be possible
something
without
that.
you guys.
I can't wait to see all of you. So I can give you guys one big hug. I would.
I like that, di ba?
Thank you.
Something pang
Air hug.
Air hug.
Attitude,
Bye, I love you.
Attitude,